Alright, let's find the missing value in these equivalent fractions, right? I have 2 over question mark equals to 6 over 15. So these fractions are actually equivalent. We just need to find the missing value, right? So in order to find the missing value, before I even start, I want to ask myself, can this fraction be reduced? And yes, this can be reduced. Is there one number that can go into the numerator and that same number go into the denominator? Yes. This 6 and 15 are both multiples of 3, right? So I know that 3 can go into 6 twice and 3 can go into 15 5 times, right? So now, once we have this, I'm going to write this over. Instead of writing a question mark, I'm going to write x, right? And we have 2 over 5, right? So I know I can now cross multiply to find out what x is. So cross multiply is going to be 2 times 5 equals to 2 times x. Alright, so 2 times 5, this is a symbol for multiplication as well. This is not a decimal. If I was a decimal, it would have been down there. But I put it up here in the center, so it's a multiplication sign. Equals, so that's 2 times 5 equals 2 times x. Alright, so 2 times 5 is 10 equals 2 times x is just 2x. Alright, now I need to figure out what x is. So in order to get rid of this 2, because I need x to be by itself, I needed to either say x equals something or something equals x. Alright, so right now x is on the right side, so I need this to be something equals x, right? Some sort of number that equals x. So, because this is in actuality 2 times x, I need to do the opposite of times, or the opposite of multiplication. The opposite of multiplication is division. So I need to divide this 2 out, right, by 2. I divide it out by whatever number this is attached to the x. Because 2 is attached to the x, I'm going to divide it by 2. So I know that 2 go into itself once, 2 go into this once, right? So I move that out, I cancel that out, right? Whatever I divide next to the x, I have to divide on this side of the equal sign. So whatever I do on this side of the equal sign, I have to do on this side of the equal sign, right? And now this is like reducing a fraction again. So 2 could go into itself once, and 2 could go into 10 5 times. So now my new answer is 5 over 1, which is the same thing as just 5 by itself, and x. So x is equal to 5, right? So now if I put 5 all the way back up here, it would make sense, right? 2 over 5 is equal to 2 over 5.